The table below shows the distribution of ages of students in a class. If a student is selected at random, find the probability that he is at least 18 years old. So in the table, we have the ages and the number of students. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. As we can see in the class, 2 students are 16 years, 8 students are 17 years, 4 students are 18 years, 4 students are 19 years, and 2 students are 20 years. So if we want the total number of students in the class, we will have to add the number of students for each age. So the total number of students in the class will be equal to 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2, and that will give us 20. So in total, we have 20 students in the class. We want to find the probability that the student that we will select at random is at least 18 years old. If the student is at least 18 years old, it means that the student is either 18 years old or 19 years old or 20 years old. So if we want the number of students who are at least 18 years old, we will have to add the number of students who are 18 years old, 19 years old, and 20 years old. 4 plus 4 plus 2 will give us 10. So the number of students who are at least 18 years old is 10. The probability that a student selected at random is at least 18 years old will be equal to the number of students who are at least 18 years old divided by the total number of students in the class. So the probability that a student selected at random from the class is at least 18 years old will be equal to the number of students who are at least 18 years old, which is 10, divided by the total number of students, which is 20. 10 divided by 20 will give us 1 divided by 2. So in this class, if a student is selected at random, the probability that he is 18 years old is 1 divided by 2, which is option B.